Welcome to the OFI-MONITORING GEOPORTAL web. This is your centralized platform for land surveying, drone operations, and thermography. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by a comprehensive map displaying the visualization and location of all your different projects. Our GeoPortal offers automatic image analysis powered by AI, allowing for precise quantification of construction progress. Generate fast and comprehensive reports in just 3 clicks. Our intuitive interface makes it easy to extract the information you need quickly. The OFI-MONITORING GeoPortal ensures centralized data management and real-time accessibility to your project information. Efficiently manage the execution and loading of periodic flights, allowing you to track changes and progress over time. Integrate your CAD layers directly into the GeoPortal for seamless display and easy updates. Our automated processes facilitate precise progress tracking, highlighting areas where work has been completed and where it is still pending. View and generate detailed reports broken down by sector, providing granular insights into specific areas of your project. For more nuanced analysis, the platform supports manual detection of construction progress, which can also be used to train and refine machine learning models. Our automated process inspects construction progress, providing instant updates on the status of your project. Access a historical record of ortho photos, allowing you to review past project states and compare them with current conditions. Conduct multi-temporal analysis to understand long-term trends and developments within your project areas. Benefit from the geolocation of photographs and videos, providing contextual visual information directly on the map. Experience high-resolution visualization of your project sites, revealing intricate details for comprehensive analysis. To learn more or request a demo, visit our website at link to ofitit.com or contact us via email at ofitit@ofitit.com.